I take my baby away. My baby, wake up. Baby. I gonna hide you. Where I should put you? Oh, the couples it costs. Oh my God. Wait, Ngan, I open cupboard for you, okay? You can hide your baby. Ngan, come on. Ngan, come on. Okay. No one take your baby away, okay? If someone gonna go left your baby and go with another man, don't think about your child. Please look at this cat. Well, when I have enough money in the bank, enough future, I won't have my daughter soon if possible back. But for moment her life is better in Germany, nah? I don't want you to be here and have a hard life or, you know? If you love your child, you have to have future for your child. If you're not ready for yourself, you cannot help another person. But animals, they have me for take care of the child. But kids need school bag, kids need money, kids need medicine. And you know, Europe, it take care kids with better than Thailand. But if I have enough, I can take care of my daughter too. But I'm not so healthy. But now I'm healthy. I try to get her back. Like this cat. Ngan! Ngan! Where you, baby? Please leave me alone. Why you close the door? I'm scared you take my baby away. Ngan! A lot of women people in the whole world, they kill their babies. And they have a brain, they have a feeling. But they worse more than you. They go make sick. Baby come with accident. And they make them die. Why? I don't understand. Africa, people are really poor now. They born and die, but they keep their babies. But I not leave my daughter in England. I can over holiday in Germany if my account is enough full, enough ticket. Ngan! My cat is really so sweet. And here is my daughter with the rabbit.